Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the elegant corridor in Montego Bay. Now, Moon Palace announced recently that they are going to be building a massive hotel in Montego Bay. They operate a 700 room hotel in Ocho Rios, and they're going to build a 1,350 room hotel in Montego Bay. Now, currently today, the largest hotel in Jamaica is the Bahia Principal at 1,350 rooms. So that will give you an idea of how big the new Moon Palace Hotel in Montego Bay is going to be. But there are a few hotels under construction. For instance, Princess Resorts in Hanover, that's going to be 2,000 rooms, but they've just opened 1,000 and started construction of the other 1,000. So as of today, the largest hotel in Jamaica is 1,350 rooms. And Moon Palace plans to build one that size somewhere out here in Montego Bay. It's going to be built along the elegant corridor. And this corridor also has 3 other hotels under construction. You have the Unico, you have the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, although it hasn't started yet, and you have a Ritz-Carlton, although that one hasn't started yet, but there will be built along the corridor as well. So this speaks volumes about the tourism industry in Jamaica for Moon Palace to be building a second hotel and such a large hotel. And Montego Bay is the tourist capital of Jamaica. They have the Sangster International Airport, and to get from the airport to the elegant corridor is about less than a 5-minute drive. I'm not sure exactly where along here the hotel is going to be built, but as soon as we find out, we will let you know, and as soon as I start construction, we will keep you guys updated. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And the Moon Palace building in Ocho Rios is actually the tallest building in Ocho Rios. It used to be another hotel, I think it was Jamaica Grand. It was actually, and then Jamaica Grand and another hotel, I think it was a Hilton, they merged. 2 hotels merged to form Jamaica Grand, and then Moon Palace took over Jamaica Grand and operated it as a Moon Palace. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this new one in Montego Bay and the size of it. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.